What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about Ned rigs. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys good Ned rig techniques, tactics that are going to catch you more bass, and there's more. I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show you actual film of me and other people catching bass on Ned rigs using these tips, so you can kind of put it together, and just going to pretty much break it all down. And at the end of this video, you guys will leave being a smarter fisherman and catching more fish on the Ned rigs. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. Actually, before I give you guys tip number one, I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. If you guys want to see a whole video like this with frogs, I'll put it right up here. And I'm also doing a lot more fishing on the water and teaching you guys tips as well. I posted a blazing worm how-to last week and did a giveaway in that video. So as you're watching this, it's over now, but in about a week I'll probably be doing a Ned rig fishing on the water with the giveaway or something else. So definitely hit the subscribe button down below. We are super close to 11,300, so thank you for all the love and all the support, and let's break it down. Let's do it. So tactic number one, pop, pop, pause is what I call it, or you can do pop, 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 pause, or pause, pop, pop. I think you guys get the idea, right? So pretty much all I'm doing when I'm casting out there and I'm letting that bait go to the ground, right? And I'm just, again, just a little boop, just like a little twitch, right? Because all that bait's doing is just hopping and going back on the ground, hopping and going back on the ground, kicking up dust, and especially with this Googan bait rattling Ned, which is my go-to rattling Ned bait. When I'm popping that bait like that, it's also giving it a little rattle, right? So I really love this in murky water because those bass can't see as well, but they hear a lot. So when you're popping it, they just hear that rattle, and then it drops, rattle, it drops, and then you pause it because the bass will go up to it, look at it, and sometimes when you pause it, that's when they'll hit it. So I love the pop, pop, pause, and I'm gonna show you guys a clip right now when the pop, pop, pause is really useful. Let's roll the clip. There's one. We're on. Yeah, baby, stay down. Oh, that's a nice one. The rattling Ned. Let's go. Woo! Right here is the first fish of the day for me. Probably like 3-pounder or so. Definitely a good fish. I'm gonna get a little picture with this guy, and we're gonna put him back. So as you saw right there, did a couple pops, a couple pauses. Sometimes the pauses are really long. Sometimes I let it sit there for a while, you know what I mean? And then I'm popping it here, popping it there, letting it sit for a while. And sometimes, just that crazy popping and pausing will definitely get the bass to bite it. So that is technique number one. Let's get into number two. So number two, another way I like to do it is I love to drag the bait. What I mean by that is just cast it out there, right? It's gonna drop to the bottom, and I just kind of pull it in. That's it. It's just, because especially with the rattling Ned, which is why I'm so high in this bait. If the rattles are always still going, even when you're just pulling it in, but sometimes they don't want that pop going up and down. Sometimes just that grassy bottom, and you just want to drag it. You just want to drag it. Maybe drag it across some rocks. You're gonna get snagged a lot, guys. Believe me, you get snagged a lot in the Ned rig because it's on the bottom. But you just slowly drag that thing in. Maybe a pop here and there, right? Change it up. But that drag in is gonna kick up some dust, and they're gonna see, bass are gonna see oh, there's a little crowd on there, just on the bottom, just moving along. They're gonna come down there. They're gonna swoop it up. So I love to drag a lot. I'm gonna show you a video now of method number two, dragging the bait, just dragging that thing along the bottom, and a bass hits it. Let's show that clip right now.
Underneath the sea.
Oh, I saw his tail. I'm on.
No way.
Oh, I was recording you. I'm on, dude.
Just release this thing?
Yeah, release it. I was recording you because it looked really funny. You trying to take a pike out of there on my phone, and I literally just got slammed. It's about to come up. Look at those colors too. God, what a beast. What a beast. Thank you, Justin. Oh my gosh, guys. Again, Ned rig. We're fishing 15, 20 feet deep. I was filming Justin because he dropped the pike on my phone, and then I just one-handed this one. An absolute beauty. We're gonna get a still of this one as well. That right there, guys, an absolute beauty. Actually, let me show you guys what color I'm using too. I'm using the Googan bait peanut butter and jelly, my favorite color. Justin knows that's my favorite color, Googan bait. Rattling Ned, awesome. PB&J, can't beat that. All right, guys, so tip number three is pretty much just a combination of 1 and 2. Take the pop, pop, pause, take the drag, slap it together, all right? That's tip number three is, I guess, what do you even call that? So I don't even know what we call that, but I think we'll call it the drag and pop. It's just combining 1 and 2. Like I said, sometimes the bass like the drag, sometimes they like the pop. Sometimes they like both. You gotta figure it out. You have to go out there and see what the bass want. So sometimes you pop it, and then I'll let it sit, and then I'll just kind of drag it in for a little bit. Reel up, pop it. You just kind of gotta play around and see what those bass want, right? So on the video now, I'm actually gonna show you a buddy of mine Tommy McGrath. I will link, or I'll put his stuff on the screen right here. You guys definitely check him out. He's another YouTuber. He posts a lot of stuff. He's great, and he's really good with the Ned rig, guys. He loves catching smallmouth bass on the Ned rig, and he's really good at it. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip in a second here of him using these tactics and catching just big smallies on it. So let's roll the clip right now.
I just popped too quick.
Dang, look at the black on its tail and everything. That's a beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. Absolute beatdown today. Love it.
So as you saw, he put both those methods into use, and I mean, he ends up catching big fish. He does it all the time, all year round, and it's great. Now I'm going to show you one more clip of me catching a bass using the drag and pop method as well. So let's roll that right now.
Oh, little bass is going for it. I just saw something go for it. Got him. Oh God, nice, nice. Oh, my drag's really loose, that's why. Oh, come on. Throwing the rattling Ned just around this rocky area. Look at that, it's so cool. I'm gonna try to get him up here. Okay, let's go. Fish number 2 of the day. Here is fish number 2 on the day. Not a bad fish caught on the Googan baits. Rattling Ned, this is the smelt color. I thought the color was kind of more natural and kind of simple, so.
All right, guys, so that wraps it up for the 3 methods on how to do it. Now I want to get into real quick just what line and how light I like to, throw with the Ned rig. First of all, as I've been saying all video, I love the Googan bait rattling Ned. I love the PB&J color and like the black flash for murkier water, and then when I'm fishing more clear water, like a quarry or just something you can see a lot of high visibility. I like to use like a natural, something like that, green pumpkin maybe. I've used this one a little bit, not too much. It's the, oh sorry, you can't really see it, the TRD Cross. It's by Z-Man. If you're looking for something that's gonna last you a long time, the stretch on this is unbelievable. They last super, super long time. But I usually go back to this just because the rattles, but I've had success on both. And another one I've had success on is the Sakoshi Bug from 10,000 Fish. This one is also really good. I caught some fish up in Wisconsin with Tommy as well using this. And this thing slays. This thing definitely slays. And you know what? Because this thing slays, I'm gonna show you guys a clip right now of me catching a fish on this bug right here. Let's roll the clip.
All right.
I wasn't like really paying attention to my line. Got it. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a really nice one.
Oh, I got one too.
No, the indicator doubled up. Literally doubled up.
Yeah, it was mine.
Looks like I was gonna say small. Oh my God.
What just happened?
On the Ned rig Sakoshi Bug from Petco, guys. If you want to get this, definitely click the link down below. First link in the description, pick you guys up some of these. All right, now that you saw that, this bait works. I love this bait. It's a great Ned rig option as well. Obviously, guys, there's way more Ned. All right, we need coffee break. A little coffee break here. How cool is this, guys? How cool is this? See, this focus is on here. Googan Swat sent this to me. Shout out to Googans. Awesome, awesome mug. Put my coffee in this all the time. Anyways, guys, there's a lot more Ned rig baits to use than just those 3 right there. There's so many different brands, so many different types, and there's so many different ways you can fish them. I'm gonna do a video soon comparing, like, I'll probably get like 3 to 4 to 5. I'll compare them all and get some underwater footage so you guys can see, with our own eyes what works the best. So if you guys want to see something like that, hit the, like I said before, hit that subscribe button down below. And you know what, we're getting a call from Timer right now. Let's pick that up. Hey, what's up, boss?
What up, man?
I'm actually filming right now as you're calling. You got anything to say?
You just gotta toss the net out there, slow pull it, little taps, catch some fish.
All right, yep. All right, well, that was good timing. Tommy called, left you guys a little tip there. That's great. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys really learned a thing, maybe 2 things, maybe 3. I think I only said 3 things, so hopefully you learned 3 things today and you put that to use on the water, guys. If you guys did enjoy this one, please hit that thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button. We're almost at 11,300 subscribers. Now I got that number right. What video do you guys want to see next? What sit down do you, with tips and tricks, do you guys want to see next? You let me know down below. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.